Hi. How you doing? Good. You go, that's on oil. No, you.
Good or not?
No. Amanda, now what the hell is wrong with you? Why the fuck did you snore this goddamn loud bitch? I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. I'm probably gonna scare the shit out you tonight. Just how loud you just snoring. I'm just saying, okay? I love you, but shit, Rumi, I have to be careful. I have to snore like that. Oh my god. Do you hear yourself? Listen. Oh my god. That is fucked up.
Shut up, bitch.
Say it again.
Shut up, bitch.
One more time for one time.
Shut up, bitch. I think the mic is small.
She can't talk because she's so cool, girl. Y'all finna have a competition at night, so I'm finna get this bitch. Oh my god, Amanda. This is so sad. Vicky, don't you think it's sad? Don't you think it's sad?
This fucking snoring?
Yeah.
Oh.
It gives me tears.
Sleep is real.
The snoring is real.
The struggle is fucking real.
Bitches be like, I don't snore.